3, 2, 1.
The water molecules stick together, trying to form a perfect spherical mass. It's like an oversized drip of water from a faucet. Eventually, the force of gravity becomes too strong and the sphere collapses in a splash. This is Christoph Haga, a guy who decided to walk across the length of China and document his journey with a self-portrait day by day. After about a year and 4,600 kilometers, he'd had enough. So he got a shave and called it a day. Top 5 countdown. Animal defense tactics. Number 5. Look intimidating. Most predators would think twice before trying to take a bite out of this fully inflated porcupine fish. Number 4. Don't just look intimidating, act it too. The Australian frilled lizard spreads its hood and lunges. Number 3. Spray something nasty. The western barred spitting cobra ejects blinding venom through its fangs. A gust of air from the lungs can spray at 2 meters. Number 2. Same thing, but from the other end. The bombardier beetle sprays boiling hot toxic fluid. So don't try to sneak up on it from behind. But the number 1 animal defense mechanism has to be that of the horned lizard. It shoots blood from its eyes. Let's see that again. When backed into a corner, some species build up enough blood pressure to burst delicate blood vessels around their eye sockets. So watch it.
国家地理频道 Top 10 Top 10
Top 10
Top 10 I like
I like
Top 10 I like
国家地理频道2011 Top 10 I Like 10位艺人10部年度最佳影片，谁是你的最爱？
国家地理频道
2011 Top 10 I Like 明天中午12点起，连续10小时，只在国家地理频道，
很精彩哦。